Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, our topic to discuss for today is exercise numerical problems of chapter number 2 FSC first year physics. First numerical is, suppose in a rectangular coordinate system. We have supposed numerical problem number 1. We have supposed a two-dimensional rectangular coordinate system with positive x-axis, with negative x-axis, with positive y, with negative y, and this is origin. A vector A has its tail at point A. A vector A, we have supposed a vector A. We have supposed a vector A with its tail at point A with coordinate -2, -3, as both coordinates are negative, so tail of the vector A will lies in third quadrant and its tip at point B. Suppose this is the tip of vector A with at point B with coordinates 3 and 9. As both quadrants are positive, so tip of the vector A, suppose vector A will lie in first quadrant. Given data is point A is equal to -2, -3 and point B is 3 and 9. We have to determine the distance between these 2 points A and B. We have to find the distance between point A to point B, means magnitude of this vector A. We have to find the magnitude of this vector A. First of all, we draw the position vector of point A. Suppose R1 will be -2 I unit vector, -3 j unit vector. Similarly, the position vector of point B will be 3 I unit vector plus 9 j unit vector. The vector R, which is also named as vector A, will be defined as R2 minus position vector R1. Putting the values of R2 and R1 in these brackets, R2 3i plus 9j. Similarly, -2i minus 3 j unit vector. The answer will be 3i plus 9j plus 2i plus 3 j unit vector. Resultant will be, now we will add I unit vector with I unit vector, j with j unit vector values. Resultant ho 5 I unit vector plus 12 j unit vector, which is also a complete vector. We have to find the magnitude of this vector A. Magnitude will be calculated by Pythagorean theorem. We will solve this. 12 square is equal to 5 square is equal to 25 plus 144 whole under root is equal to 169 is equal to 13 with something units. Numerical question number 2. A certain corner of the room is selected as origin of a rectangular coordinate system. We have supposed numerical question number 2. We have supposed a rectangular coordinate system, positive x, positive y with first plane, with first quadrant. A certain corner of the room is selected as origin of a rectangular coordinate system if an insect is crawling on an adjacent wall at a point having coordinates 2 and 1. We have supposed a point A with coordinate 2 and 1. We have supposed a point A with coordinates 2 and 1. Where the units are in meter, what is the distance of the insect from corner of the room? We have to find the distance of point A from this origin. We supposed a vector A. We have to find the magnitude of this vector A as a point with coordinate 2 and 1. The position vector of A will be, suppose R is equal to 2I unit vector plus j unit vector. Magnitude of this vector, which is also the magnitude of vector A, will be 2 square plus 1 square is equal to 4 plus 1 whole under root is equal to 5 under root is equal to 2.4 with something units. Numerical question number 3 is, what is the unit vector in the direction of vector A? What is the unit vector? The numerical question number 3 is, given data is a vector A with values 4I plus 3j unit vector. We have to find the unit vector of this vector A. As we know that unit vector of vector A is calculated by a formula, a vector divided by its magnitude. Putting the values, vector A 4I plus 3j with magnitude by Pythagorean theorem 4 square plus 3 square, resultant will be 4I plus 3j unit vector. 4 square 16, 4 square 16, 4 square of 4 with value 16, and 3 square will be 9, resultant 4I plus 3j with 25 under root. Our unit vector A will be 4I unit vector plus 3j unit vector divided by 5. Dear students, numerical question number 4 is, two particles are located at point R1. Question number 2.4. R1 with position vector 3I plus 7j, 3I unit vector plus 7j unit vector. Similarly, position vector R2 is equal to 2I plus 3j, 2I unit vector plus 3j unit vector. Respectively, find the both magnitude of the position vector R2 minus R1 and orientation with respect to x-axis. We have to find the magnitude of position vector R2 minus R1. Suppose this is R, and orientation with respect to x-axis we have to also find a theta. As vector R means position vector of these two position vectors will be R2 minus R1 position vector. Putting the values, resultant will be R1 minus R2. R2 is 2I plus 3j unit vector. Similarly, 3I plus 7j. Resultant will be 2I plus 3j unit vector minus 3I minus 7j unit vector. As I unit vector values are added with I and j are j, so this will be minus I unit vector minus 4j unit vector. This is the position vector of R2 and R1 with magnitude R is equal to under root minus 1 square minus 4 square. Resultant will be 3I plus 7j. As question is, dear students, question is, sorry, the question question R2 as question, as position vector of R2 is minus 2, so we will put this is minus 2 R. Position vector R will be minus 5I unit vector minus 4j unit vector. Magnitude will be, magnitude of this position vector will be minus 5 square minus 4 square is equal to 25 plus 16 is equal to 41 under root 5 point something will be position vector magnitude of this position vector R. As we have to find the theta means orientation of vector with respect to x-axis. We know that the position vector R with coordinates minus 5 I unit vector minus 4 j unit vector, both quadrant are negative, so vector will lies in third quadrant, and its direction will be calculated by formula theta is equal to 180 degree plus phi. Now we find the value of phi. We know that tan theta tan phi is equal to perpendicular over base, means phi will be tan inverse y over x, putting the values as y is 4 and x coordinate 5, resultant will be tan inverse 0.8, as tan inverse 0.8 is near about equal to 39 degree. So putting the values in this formula, 180 degree plus 39, resultant will be 219 degree. Dear students, inshallah we will discuss numerical number 5 inshallah next day. Assalamu alaikum.